Welcome back to Morley's Market Update. I'm Peter Morley, and today we're diving into the Q4 2025 Eleuthera real estate market. And this quarter was a big one. More listings, big jumps in pricing, and some surprising shifts in the land market as well. If you'd like to view the full report, you'll find it linked below. Eleuthera Homes had a quarter that felt like the market was heating up again, but with some mixed signals underneath. New listings jumped to 40, up nearly 74% year over year and 60% from Q3, which means sellers came back to the market in a big way. Demand stayed solid. Contracted sales were up 20% year over year, but down from last quarter, which suggests buyers are still there, just moving a little more carefully. Completed sales increased as well, up about 29% year over year, even though closings dipped compared to Q3. Now, prices were the headline here. The average sales price rose to roughly $1.48 million, and while it's down year over year, it climbed strongly compared to last quarter. The median sales price surged all the way to $1.6 million, up over 80% year over year and more than doubled from Q3, which tells us Q4 likely had a handful of major high-end closings. On the market speed side, things slowed down. Median days on the market came in at 177 days, which is higher than Q3, and homes are taking longer to sell overall. At the same time, the list-to-sale price ratio improved to 94.3%, meaning sellers are still holding price fairly well even with the longer selling time frame. Now for Eleuthera land, and this is where we saw more movement, but not necessarily stronger performance. New listings jumped again to 82, up 64% year over year, which means buyers had a lot more options, but demand dipped. Contracted sales were down around 33% year over year and also dropped hard from Q3, and completed sales were down slightly as well. Prices fell a lot too. The average land sales price dropped to about $130,000, down significantly from both last quarter and last year. And the median land price came in around $55,000, which stayed relatively steady. The biggest shift was the median days on the market, which climbed to 271 days, so land is sitting much longer compared to prior quarters. Lastly, the list-to-sale price ratio slipped to 89%, which shows sellers are having to negotiate more to get deals done. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this breakdown and want to keep up with what's happening across the Bahamas real estate market, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. So overall, Eleuthera Homes saw a big change in listings and a huge jump in median pricing, even though properties are taking longer to sell. Land inventory surged, but buyers slowed down and pricing came down as well, making it a more patient market on that side. Thanks for watching Morley's Market Update. I'll see you in the next one.